Hi, I'm David Hauser, owner of Morningstar Doors and Windows, and today we're bringing you a how-to. Make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram at Morningstar Doors and Windows. If you like this, hit the like button and leave a comment. This is going to be a tutorial on how to remove a sash. The first one we're going to be doing is the Wincore product. All of the double hung sashes will remove the same way. So say for example, you might need to get an air conditioner into the window. First thing you want to do is lock it. Lock is in the left position, unlock is in the right. We're going to lift it up about 2 inches, and this is the same method if you were going to clean it as far as the first step, okay? Once you have it in this position, there's a shoe over here that connects it to the balance. Just going to kind of lift this up like that, and then it's out. Once you have it out, you can see that's the little pin that it connects into. Now, very important, when you're tilting this in, you want to make sure that this pin is 100% inside that piece right here. If it's not in that piece, it's not going to move up and down properly. So say for example, you get one side in, you want to make sure you get the other side in properly. Give it a little hit on each side, that way it's all the way down. One way to tell, lift it up and down, it's easily moving, and then hit it back in, check it one more time, you're good to go. So that's the removal of the sash, proper tilt-in method, and making sure the pin is in the shoe.